will share your...
All right, guys, we are checking out our first place here. Matter of fact, a subscriber who lives here told me about this place, so thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's right here. The place is called Jack Daniel's Apartment. Good name, huh? And this is what we're going to check out. We're ready. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Joy.
Joy.
Josie.
Josie, all right. And Joy is going to be our tour guide today, this morning. She's going to take us around. So, thank you. They have quite a few places they're going to show us here. Studio, I think 1 room, 2 room. But yeah, that's what we're doing.
This is what you're going to do, like exercise every day.
Yeah. And it's only 2 minutes, 1 minute walk to like Sabang, the downtown area. All right. So yeah, if you live here, you're going to be doing some exercise, and that's for sure. It's like you don't know what these places are until you get in there and check them out. I know they do have a pool here. Nice back in here. Wow, what? Goes back in pretty far. You can't see all this from the road, so you don't know it exists. All right. Here we are, room number 55. Nice, huh? Yeah, really nice little place back in here. Landscape nice. Decorated nice. All right, let's go.
Room 55 first.
And what kind of room is this?
This is a Studio Deluxe.
Studio Deluxe.
Yes.
All right.
We have fan, we have aircon, we have a complete kitchenware here. Ref. We have non-biodegradable and biodegradable garbage.
What is that again? Can you say that again?
Biodegradable and biodegradable.
There you go.
That's all right. And also you can use this for the daily. We have free gas.
Okay.
Free drinking water for the daily. And then for the monthly, you need to buy gas and also you need to buy drinking water. But the water is free.
Right, that water is free. Right.
Free. And electricity is not included for the monthly rate.
Okay. Yes. Nice big cabinets, nice big kitchen area, little riff, little coffee table or a little table.
Good for 2 person.
And what about like TV, internet, all that? Is that extra? Do you pay for that?
No. This is free also. For our cable is free also, so you don't need to pay for the monthly.
But internet
is free.
Oh, that's free also.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Provider. So if one Wi-Fi is have a problem, we have also a
backup. Okay. All right. Because
so don't have
a lot of people, and the key is internet. People, you know.
And also we have 24 hours backup generator.
So never brown out. Always a backup generator.
Yes, we have.
I'm gonna show you the CR here quick. Yeah. Hot cold water. Really nice. And what does a room like this run per month?
Per month?
Yes.
This is 19,000, but because of pandemic, we have 20%.
Right.
30%. Not all of our rooms
are all discount right now.
Discount.
20%. So it's normally 19,000 a month with a 20% discount right now. So.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know what that is in my math. I'd have to figure it out.
20%.
All right. So there it is. There's the first one, studio.
That's pretty much.
Yeah.
Great.
All right. On to the next one. All right. So I want to show you the pool area here. When you stay here, if you rent out monthly, or if you just come here, stay here for a week or two, here's your pool area. You have access to all of this. Like I said, even renting a place here monthly, you have access to all this. Really, really nice. Of course, not many people here right now, but really nice. Let me kind of come over here quick and show you the bar area over here. Here's the bar area, full kitchen. I've seen a few of them. I've seen a meal come out and boy, it looked good. But like I said, you have access to all this. Hot jacuzzi, well, it's not hot, but it's a little jacuzzi. And the pool. She says, let's go.
Let's go. I'm going to room 33 first.
Okay. I'll just roll the camera here so you guys can see just the beauty of this place. You will get your exercise if you do stay here. She walks faster than me. All right, room 33. Nice little outside deck here. So this is 2 floors.
Yes, up and down.
Refrigerator, fan, little table, little seating, another nice kitchen area, cabinets, plates, glasses,
Yes.
coffee maker, gas for cooking. No aircon down here, right?
Yes,
Only
only
upstairs.
the fan.
Only the fan. And then here you have your little CR. No shower here, it's just a CR. Let's head upstairs. And 1 bedroom up here.
Yes, we have two CR up and down.
Up and down.
And then TV, aircon,
Okay.
cabinet.
Cabinet for your clothes. TV. Aircon. Here's your CR. Where's your shower room?
Only
No shower.
shower down there.
Oh, there is? I must have missed it. Must have missed that.
Yes, here.
Okay. Yeah, I must have missed that.
Hot and cold shower. Here.
Oh, okay. I missed it. There it is. Hot and cold shower. All right. And what is a room like this rent for a month?
This is same as the Studio Deluxe.
Oh, same as the Studio Deluxe. What was that? 17.
Yes, 19.
19 minus 20% discount right
Yes.
now. Okay. All right. Good deal.
Yeah.
Off to the next one, right?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. All right, we are up on the next level here. Here's your view from up here. Here's your rooms right here. All the way down through there. Big bay windows to walk into. Wow, this is a big one. How many does this hold?
6 persons.
6 persons. So yeah, this is definitely a bigger area. Little oven, little stove. Lot of cabinet area here. Water, bigger refrigerator. 6-person dining set.
Yes.
The Deer Hunter, good movie. You ever see the Deer Hunter movie? No. TV down here. No aircon down here?
No, we have
Just-
only
Just big 2 fans, big fans.
Yes.
Then here's a CR with shower. Big,
Hot and
nice
cold
bath, hot and
shower.
cold. Here's a bedroom for 2 people or 4 people, whatever you want to fit in here with air conditioning, cabinets, plus a fan.
Yes.
And there's a 2nd floor. This is big. Plenty of outlets. Actually has a range. so you don't smoke your apartment out when you're cooking. Another seating area up here. Nice deck. Here's your deck. Here's your view. Right out there's the ocean. You can see that. Table here.
Yes.
Step back in. Nice breeze. Godfather. Another TV. Another seating area. Here's your bigger bedroom. It's like a king-size bed. Aircon. Cabinets. Another fan. And another nice big CR. How much is something like this run a month?
This per month is 45,000.
45,000.
Yeah, less than 20.
Less than 20%.
And then 20 to 30%.
But you get a lot of people with families will rent this out.
This is good for
6 people, yeah. So for like a family or 2 couples that want to rent it, yeah. But yeah,
Yes.
it is nice. Too big for me.
Yeah.
Definitely too big for me. But amazing view. It's a great view here. All right, here's another one we're going to go to. Room 74.
Yes. Kitchen.
Downstairs kitchen. There's your table for sitting.
Good for 2 persons.
Good for 2 people. Cabinet spacing. More cabinets. Of course, your dishes, your cups, your plates, cooking supplies.
Yes.
Little refrigerator here. And then the upstairs. All right. Here's your upstairs seating area. Fan, television. Here's your balcony. Another balcony with a nice view. Little table to sit outside. And then your bedroom with an air con in the bedroom. And your CR. Hot and cold shower. Cabinet for your clothes. Oh, let me turn that off for you. This one, turn it off?
Oh, yeah.
All right. And what is this plate? What does this one run?
I'm not sure, but I think it's 24,000.
24 for this one, plus your discount.
Yeah.
All right. There we go. And you said this is 2-bedroom.
Yeah.
2-bedroom. Dining table.
This is
Kitchen area. Refrigerator, gas stove, cabinets, cooking utensils, glass, cups. CR in this corner.
yes.
Shower room in there. Hot and cold water or only cold?
Upstairs.
Upstairs, all right.
Yes.
Here's your first bedroom. And we'll head upstairs here. Second bedroom with a seating area, TV, fan. Here's your view, outside deck. Here's your CR up here, hot and cold water. And your bedroom upstairs with air con. And your cabinet space. And how much does this one run?
This is 24,000 and less 20%.
24,000 less your 20%.
Up and down.
So up and down, there it is.
Down there is one room, and then this one is split type aircon.
Downstairs has an aircon also? No.
Yes.
Just fan.
This
And
is what
upstairs.
we call, 2-bedroom superior.
2-bedroom superior. All right. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. So there are the prices. Now, these are fully furnished. You guys seen it. Refrigerator, gas stove to cook on, TVs, aircon, fans, all your cooking utensils, all your needs for things like that. Decent prices right now because the discounts that are going on. Matter of fact, I even told Lud, I said, I may consider just coming up here and spending the rest of our time up here for the simple reason there's cooking utensils, there's stuff to cook with. Right now where we're staying, nice place and everything, but there's no kitchen. So we're spending, we're spending 1,500 pesos or so a day just eating. We got to eat. So to come up here, we can save money, get our food, and cook everything up here. So stay tuned because we just might decide to just spend the rest of our time up here in this Jack Daniel's apartment. But these are rentals by the month, by the year, long-term rentals. You can work out a good deal with them. The big room upstairs is way too big for my needs. That's a family room or a room where, say, as a couple, you get another couple, you come, you stay there. But very nice. I'm very impressed with this place. And like I said, I had a subscriber who mentioned this place to me, and he's staying here. He's renting, I think, the downstairs and upstairs. It's a 1-bedroom with the downstairs and upstairs. I myself personally like the studio apartment. Everything's on one level. So anyways, this is just our first place. Of many places we plan to check out here. We're going to check out houses, unfurnished houses, partially furnished houses, 1-bedroom apartments, not necessarily like this, but these are the things we're going to check out. So I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned because we're going to be busy and we're going to be doing some diving.